Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be guiding you through the process of checking your region on Instagram. It's important to know which country or region your account is set to, so let's dive into the full guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Step 2. At the bottom of the screen, tap on your profile photo. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap on the 3-bar menu icon. Step 4. Select Settings from the drop-down list. Step 5. Scroll down until you find Country Region, listed under Country and Language Settings. Step 6. Tap on Country Region, and this will display the country or region your account is set to. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your region on Instagram. It's always good to stay informed about your account settings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.